Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome as well. So as you can tell from my heading, I'm going to be doing a color, cut, and style tutorial for you. So what you're going to need is a 20 volume developer, some bleaching powder, mix both together and apply to the wefts. Let it sit to its full potential because it's only going to lift to a certain amount because it's only 20 volume. Then I am going to apply it to the wefts, and these are the three colors that I'm going to be using. This is the braid pattern for my client's hair, and this is the result of the colors that I mixed together. Came out with the dark cranberry-ish color. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And please don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I'm so happy.